Hi guys, in this video I am going to explain what cloud virtual private server are all about and why it might just be the next best step for your business. I will also give you my favorite and well tested VPS provider along with a few different price range. Right, so what is cloud hosting? A virtual private server is likely having a server inside a server. If the main server has 64 gigabits of RAM, you can virtually separate it into 64 server with 1 gigabits of RAM each, but also gets resources like RAM and CPU with shared hosting. So what exactly is the difference between cloud VPS and shared hosting? Then well, the main one is how these resources are split between users. With shared hosting plan, you share all your resources so that 8 gigabits of RAM of the server can be split between 100 web project if you need. And the worst part is that other user can affect your website performance or even break your server entirely. Cloud is the next evolutionary step in VPS because instead of hosting the server component being physically located in one place, you can actually connect hundred or the even thousand of computer and build your server, taking one part from one server and another component from a completely different place. Then throw in a strong security package, the freedom to control every aspect of your hosting account and how you need. You have really good reason to get a cloud hosting host for your website. But let's look at the specific provider for today and get this cloud hosting review rolling, shall we? Okay, so to start with one of the most affordable cloud hosting provider, try hosting your cloud VPS. The first thing to note here is the pricing. As you can see, you can start with your own cloud virtual server here for under $10 a month at the moment. Plus, since there these servers do not just come before there, you will not have any additional expensive. Everything is including a domain name, free SSL certificate, professional email, and daily backup. But since it's affordable, you might not be getting the best security package here. But what you do get is a very solid foundation tool and feature. This including a free SSL certificate, which has come as standard for all good hosting, DDoS protection, daily automatic backup, and two-factor authenticator. So honestly, it's strong security suite that can be improved with a few plugins and add ones. All right, you if you are beginner or stranger is a good choice and it's fully managed. This is due to hosting your streamline control panel. The tool you will need for efficient management are all located in one place. All you have to worry about is growing your business. This is how easy it is to install a new WordPress system or update plugins without even logging into your WordPress dashboard. From all my testing, iCloud say Hostinger offer one of the best, easiest WordPress hosting feature for new users. So does performance suffer when you get such affordable hosting? Not really. During our 2 month for testing, the site did not go down even once, resulting in a perfect 100 uptime. Opstager has a 99.9 uptime guarantee, which just show the power of cloud hosting for you. As for loading time, next, if you are looking for the best cloud hosting solution for e-commerce site along with some extra resources, then Liquid Web might be the provider for you. And if you think you might need support in your hosting journey, plan here come with the guarantee to response in 59 seconds by phone or live chat. While during my testing, response time varied slightly from chat claim, but I found Liquid Web support to be one of the fastest in the industry right now. The provider also exists when it's come to security. All cloud VPS plan come with a variety for of security tool like automatic daily backup, DDoS protection, server monitoring, and firewall. It's highly secure provider for any of your bigger project. As for control dashboard, Liquid for web give you the opportunity to choose a control panel depending on your performance. The choice here is actually pretty impressive. Some of them are more beginner friendly than other is my opinion. Liquid Web offer your 4 plan with price starting from 15 backup a month. However, the one problem I have with this provider is that after the initial period of the month price are a bit steep, so it's better so invest in a longer period to postpone the renew as far as you can. As for the plan specific resources go well, they range between 2 and 60 gigabits of RAM to 8 CPU core and 40 to 200 gigabits of SSD storage space.